Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the uses of various compounds which play a vital role in our day-to-day life. Water. The first compound is water. Its chemical name is hydrogen oxide. Its constituents are hydrogen and oxygen. It is used for drinking and it is a solvent, a very good solvent. Water is known as universal solvent. It can dissolve maximum number of compounds. So it is called as universal solvent. So children, without water, no life. Water is called as the elixir of life. The Amrita of life is water. What is its chemical name? Hydrogen oxide. So the next one is table salt. The salt which our mothers use in the kitchen. Sodium chloride is its chemical name. Constituents are sodium and chlorine. It is essential component of our daily food and it is also used as a preservative for meat and fish. Sugar. The next compound is sugar. Its chemical name is sucrose. Constituents are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Listen children, here sucrose is nothing but the sugar which we take, which we daily take along with our milk. Sucrose is its chemical name. It is used in the preparation of sweets, chocolates, toffees and fruit juices. See, the next compound is baking soda. It is used in the baking of cakes. What is its chemical name? Sodium bicarbonate. Its constituents are sodium, hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. It is also used as a fire extinguisher. And it is used in the baking of breads and cakes. Next compound which we come across in our daily life is washing soda. What is its chemical name? Sodium carbonate. What are its constituents? Sodium, carbon and oxygen. What are the uses of sodium carbonate? Sodium carbonate is used as a cleansing agent in soap and also it is used in the softening of hard water. The tap water which we use is hard water and drinking water is different. Drinking water is called as soft water and hard water it is used for washing purposes. So when the hardness present in the hard water is removed, it becomes soft water and that can be achieved with the help of washing soda, sodium carbonate. I hope you have understood children. Yes. See, the next compound is bleaching powder, which is a very good disinfectant. What is its chemical name? Calcium oxychloride, or we can say calcium hypochlorite. This is calcium oxychloride. Constituents are calcium, oxygen and chlorine. It is used as a bleaching agent. It is used as a disinfectant. It is used in the sterilization of drinking water. See, in our houses, sometimes Our fathers know they may go to the top and in the water tank they may add bleaching powder. So there it is used as a sterilizing agent. Sterilizing agent. It is bleaching powder is used to clean the toilets. In the publics we are having large dustbins. Around the dustbins bleaching powders are sprayed so that it acts as a disinfectant. Is it okay, children? Now the next compound is quicklime. Quicklime, calcium oxide. The chemical name of quicklime is calcium oxide. It is used in the making of cement and glass. The constituents of quicklime are calcium and oxygen. Slaked lime. The next compound is slaked lime. Its constituents are calcium, hydrogen and oxygen. It is calcium hydroxide. So it is used in whitewashing the walls of our houses, industries and various buildings. So that is slaked lime. Next one is limestone, marble. Limestone. Taj Mahal is made up of limestone. Calcium carbonate. The constituents are calcium, carbon and oxygen. It is used in the preparation of marbles and also chalk pieces. So these are various uses of various chemical compounds in our day-to-day life, children. So without these compounds we cannot have the life what we lead today. So these compounds are very, very important and learn it today itself. I hope you have understood today's class, children. With this, the lesson matter is over. Thank you, children.